Thank you for that generous introduction, and it's a pleasure to be here in Rosario, in Argentina, and to meet so many fine new friends. And I'd like to thank Hector Berenguer and Esteban Moore, most especially, and the Teatro Association. I'll be speaking in English, obviously, and my good friend Esteban will translate for me. I'm going to read 6 poems. That means that you'll be hearing 12 poems. And I think that's probably enough. I can read very slowly if you wish. And I also then will present a talk of around 4 pages, which we will, and I would welcome your questions afterwards, in case there are any difficulty with the essay. I'm trying to explain to you North American poetry. This is a big job. Okay, good. I'm glad everybody understood that. Okay, poems in Spanish. I always admired Latin American poetry, the great poets, Vallejo, etc., and of course Spanish language poetry, and Lorca, wonderful, and Brazilian and Portuguese poetry, Andrade, and so on, Pessoa. So it was in my heart, but I didn't know how to express that or to provide that to my own poetry. So I decided I would write poems as if in Spanish. I can only write in English, not in Spanish. So I wrote the poems as if, and the first one is a poem in Spanish. I have 2 coffins, but only one wife who loves me like a neighbor. I have 1 wing and a long flight schedule. I have 2 sons and the time of day, its late hour dark in a brilliant landscape. I have a small religion based on silence and a furious heart beating. I have a map of the region where the kiss is deepest. A duplex cathedral for my hells and heavens, and 1 oily feather. No matter how I settle, the world keeps moving at its famous pace. I have 2 minds, and an eye for seeing the world's singular problems as my self-portrait. I have fuzzy lightning and a pair of old glasses. I have 2 radios, but only 1 message, subtle in transmission, arriving like wine. I have yo tengo and 2 también. The world between them creaks like distance and difference. I have 2 fires and a very sleepy fireman, immortal longings and 1 life only, unliving and undying.
Poema en español. Los 2 poemas que este y el siguiente fueron traducidos por Mónica de la Torre. Mónica de la Torre, yes? Your translator. Poema en español. Tengo 2 ataúdes, pero solo una esposa que me quiere como si fuera mi vecina. Tengo un ala y un largo vuelo programado. Tengo 2 hijos y la hora del día, la avanzada hora oscura en un paisaje reluciente. Tengo una pequeña religión sustentada en el silencio y un furioso latir del corazón. Tengo un mapa de la región donde el beso es más profundo. Una catedral dúplex para mis cielos y mis infiernos, y una pluma aceitosa. Sin importar cómo me asiente, el mundo sigue avanzando a su famoso ritmo. Tengo 2 mentes y un ojo para ver los singulares problemas del mundo como si fueran mi autorretrato. Tengo relámpagos difusos y un par de anteojos viejos. Tengo 2 radios, pero un solo mensaje, sutil en la transmisión, que llega como el vino. Tengo un tengo y 2 tambienes. El mundo entre ellos rechina como la distancia y la